Hello, class, and welcome. My name is Mr. Jordan. I am your teacher for today. This is intermediate student level. We are going to learn by the end of this lesson how to use adjectives, nouns, and verbs, how to identify them, and how to use them properly in a sentence. Now, adjectives are important. If you ever want to describe something, they are useful. If you want a pizza, you have to describe it first. Is it big? Is it little? Medium? Do you want it crispy, doughy, flat, thick, meaty, cheesy, burnt, dry? Whichever you need, adjectives. These words spice up the language and can be used to write really nice descriptions of things you can almost see with the right adjectives. There are also superlative adjectives such as greatest, best, astounding, amazing, and so forth. There are adjectives that are subjective, like ugly, and then there are adjectives that are objective, like red or blue. When a word is describing something, you can discover them as adjectives. Now I want to talk about nouns. Nouns are made up of people, places, and things. Everything in the universe is a noun. I also want to talk about there's something called common and proper nouns. Nouns are not all the same. Some nouns are proper, like the name Jordan, which is a specific name of a particular person. It is proper to call people by their proper nouns, as you wouldn't want to be called person all the time. And the word person is a common noun, and as it's the most common way to describe someone. So McDonald's versus a restaurant and saying a flower versus a daffodil are examples of proper versus common nouns. Ideas are also nouns, even though they cannot be seen like science and cannot be counted like golf or baseball. Nouns are the backbone of sentences because they're the subjects doing the actions actually. If I say swimming is a good sport, then a verb of sorts is the subject, and we call these verb nouns gerunds. I will also discuss singular and plural nouns. Uh, Anything that is more than one is plural, and one thing is always singular. So basically, someone tell me in the audience, now that we've discussed what nouns are, can anyone give me an example of a noun?
A table?
What was that? A table?
Table?
Yeah, a table is a noun. Is a table singular or plural?
Singular?
It's a singular noun. Is it a proper or a common noun?
Common?
Right. How about the Knights of the Round Table? Is that a proper noun or a common noun?
Knights of the round table? Knights of the round table.
That particular table would be maybe a proper noun because it's a particular special table with a title, as an example. So moving on. Um, let's see. Okay, so now I want to talk about verbs. Verbs are known as action words, and they also tell you what time it is in terms of tense. Verbs are important as they are crucial to have a complete sentence, otherwise, it's just information that does nothing. The big red car is an example. The big red car what? The big red car drove down the road gives us the past tense verb drove and drives a sentence. Verbs are many and varied, and they give us flavor as well. You can say someone knocked on the door, or someone banged on the door, or bashed at the door, and we get a sense of how something happened, not just what happened. Verbs have a connotation which means what a word means to you, not necessarily the official definition. People often argue over verbs such as, I didn't slam the door, I shut it. So having a good vocabulary of verbs helps you explain how things happen. This is important when recounting or describing events for reports, creative writing, basic emails, both business and personal. And if a word performs an action or tells you when something happened, you found a verb. So now I want to talk about a little game where I am going to ask students to give me examples of different types of verbs and nouns, and I'm even going to introduce something called adverbs. And adverbs are words that tell how something is done. So, for example, someone ran, but instead of saying someone ran, we can say, they quickly ran, or they slowly ran, or they shakily ran. Um, so adverbs help us understand not just what happened, but kind of how it happened. And so I'm trying to pull up something. Okay, so this one has an adverb. So we're going to do a little story called My Best Friend is a Ghost. And now I'm going to have the audience participate and helping me find different parts of speech. So I need an adjective to start with.
Purple.
Purple. And of course, I need to write some of this down, so it'll be a good idea for me to write down the first one, which is purple. Now, is purple, let's ask the class, is purple an adjective?
It's an adjective?
First of all, it's not adjective. Some people say adjectives, but it's adjectives.
Adjectives.
Right. So, does purple describe something?
Yes.
Yeah, it does,
Color.
right? So, purple is in fact an adjective.
Purple
Okay,
is
so now I need another adjective.
long.
Long. That definitely is an adjective. So let's write down the word long. Now I need a noun / number.
A noun that's a number, or a noun and a number?
A noun and a number.
Globe is a noun.
Globe.
And the number?
Globe is in fact a noun because a globe is a person, place, or thing, right? It's a place.
It's a thing.
It's a thing and it's a place.
Yeah.
We live on a globe and there's globes in classrooms too. So what number?
1,000.
Okay, 1,000. That'll be funny. Now the purpose of this exercise is to be creative. So we always try to use, different interesting adjectives and verbs when I ask you for those types of things. For example, I need a verb ending in ing.
Running.
Running. Okay. It is definitely a verb that ends in ing. Now I need a noun and a room at a school.
A noun. Guitar. Room. Bedroom.
Room at a school.
Oh, room in a school. Bathroom.
Okay. That's interesting. Now I need a proper noun and a first name.
Proper noun. Cynthia.
Okay, Cynthia, that's a proper noun. That's someone's name. And a first name.
A first name. Um, oh, um, Lisa.
Lisa. That's funny. Okay, now I need a noun and a number.
A noun.
Yeah, slash number.
Pendant.
Pendant number.
3.
Okay. Now I need a verb. Basic old verb.
Stare.
Like staring at someone.
Yes.
Adjective and a color.
Adjective. Fluffy. Color white.
Okay, now an adverb. Now this is something we talked about, but how something is done usually ends in ly.
Slowly.
Okay, slowly. That is definitely an adverb and an adjective.
Soft.
Adverb.
Quickly.
I think I may have made a boo-boo. Actually, I just need an adjective now.
Adjective. Dusty.
And a verb.
And a verb. Where.
Where?
Where. W-E-R-E.
Where is not?
Oh, like to wear a dress.
Where? Okay. So, my best friend is a ghost. This might sound purple, but my long friend is a ghost. We met in Globe 1000th grade at school. Yeah. While they were running the guitar bathroom.
Guitar bathroom.
Their name is Cynthia, Lisa, and they were pendant 3 years old when they died. No one can stare my friend but me. That's kind of interesting. That kind of worked out. They have fluffy white hair and are slowly soft, and their clothes are dusty. Having an invisible friend is rare, but they always win at. Wait, having an invisible friend is. I need another adjective. I missed one.
Sweet.
Is sweet, but they always win at wear and seek. So that was kind of a fun little.
That's cute. It's perfect for Halloween.
Yeah. So we should do another one because that was just a warm up. So this one is Star Wars theme. So here we go. I need an adjective. Adjective.
Shiny.
Okay. Noun.
No. Mug.
Mug. Adjective.
Clear.
Noun.
No. Cashew nut.
That's creative. Place.
Disneyland.
Always a good place. Adjective.
Adjective. glittery.
Okay, I like that. Glittery. Adjective.
Tight.
Tight. Um, Plural noun.
Plural noun. Glasses.
Hmm. A vehicle.
Vehicle. Train.
Adjective.
Adjective. Scary.
Hmm. Adjective.
Sleepy.
Plural noun.
Underwear.
I guess underwear is plural too.
Underwears.
Well, underwear is plural. Okay, now another adjective.
Another adjective. Messy.
Yeah, because you can have one pair of underwear or many pairs of underwear. You don't say underwears. Messy, and now plural. Wait. Plural noun. Yeah. Another adjective. I need another plural noun.
Another plural noun. Bright.
Okay. Now I need an adjective.
Adjective. Happy.
This is funny. Plural noun.
Plural noun. Dresses.
Cool. Dresses. All right. Plural noun.
Radios.
Adjective.
Adjective. Painful.
Okay. Noun.
Noun. Baloney.
Verb.
Verb. Think.
Adjective.
Adjective. Strong.
Okay. Let's see. Baloney, think, strong. And now verb.
Verb. Drink.
Plural noun.
Plural noun.
Yeah.
Plural noun.
Hurry,
Letters.
because we're running out of time.
Sorry.
Plural noun.
Plural noun. Fingers.
Type of job.
Garbage man.
Adjective.
Tight.
Tight. Verb.
Quick.
And adjective.
Quick. Adjective.
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 Quickly,
Stinky.
we're running out of
Stinky.
time.
Stinky.
Just one adjective, please.
Okay.
Star Wars. Star Wars is a shiny mug of clear versus evil in a cashew nut far, far away. There are glittery, tight glasses trains in the scary space and messy duels with bright duels with underwear. Yeah. With underwear called messy sabers dresses called droids are helpers and radios to the heroes. A painful power called the baloney thinks people to do strong things. This is funny, drink. What's this? Lettuce? Drink.
Letters?
Drink letters.
Alphabet soup.
Like drink letters. The Jedi fingers garbage man use the Force for the quick side, and the Sith quick it for the stinky side.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, so that was kind of
Okay,
crazy.
that's fine.
Anyway, so yeah, it's time. And so basically, you learn how to use verbs, nouns, and adjectives today very
Thank you,
well.
Mr. Jordan.
You're welcome. Have a great day,
I
guys.
learned a lot.
You're welcome.